Hello students, today we discuss the chapter Natural Wildlife. In previous video we already discussed types of forest, tropical or temperate. Now today we discuss Mediterranean vegetation. जैसा कि नाम से ही है मेडिटेरियन, ये जो है वो मेडिटेरियन सी के किनारे जो भी वेजिटेशन पाया जाएगा उनके बारे में है. दीज फॉरेस्ट आर फाउंड ऑन द वेस्टर्न मार्जिन्स ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट इन द वार्म टेम्परेचर रीजन. दे हैव स्पेशल एडेप्टेशन. ट्रीज हैव ब्रॉडी वैक्सी लीव एंड थिक बार्क एंड लॉन्ग रूट. ये जो फीचर्स है इसके क्या होगा कि वो हार्श कंडीशन में भी सर्वाइव करते हैं. दिस हेल्प देम टू विथ एक्सटेंड द ड्राई समर पीरियड. द मेन ट्रीज आर ओलिव, कॉर्क, ओक, फिग्स, पाइन, etc. The natural vegetation cover has been replaced by the large scale fruit orchards, hence not much wildlife are found. These are around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Asia and Africa, California in USA, Central Chile in South America, South Africa and Southern Australia. Here is one question. The tree develop broad waxy leaf and thick bark and long root in the Mediterranean region. Why? We already discussed the tree have broad waxy leaves. They do not transpirate. ट्रांसपीरेशन का जो रेट होगा वो कम होगा. थिक बार्क, सो उससे इवेपोरेशन का काम भी, रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन इज ऑल्सो लो. एंड अलोंग द लॉन्ग रूट से क्या होगा कि पानी जो है वो जमीन से आसानी से खींच सकते हैं. ओके. नाउ conifers are found in 50 degree north to 70 degree north, and they are also called taiga. Also found in the higher altitude or high mountain range like the Himalayas and Alps. Part of the North America, Europe, Asia lie in the parts of the Alaska, Canada, etc. These trees are softwood trees and are extremely important commercially because pulps obtained from these trees are used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Okay. And cheer, pine, cedar, fir, these are the species found in conifer forest. Now, grassland and vegetation. Two type of grassland, tropical and temperate. First, tropical grassland. Tropical grassland also called savannas. They are in Africa, Brazilian plateau of South America, Deccan plateau of India and North Australia. Rainfall between 25 centimeter and 75 centimeter can be spotted. Tall coarses grasses and high 2 to 4 meter interspread, एक दूसरे में फंसे हुए रहते हैं, with a few short trees. Many part of grassland are used for grazing of farmers. These are, इसमें किस तरह के एनिमल पाए जाते हैं तो these grasslands are the home of herbivores animal like elephant, deer, zebra. In the different part of the grassland, different types of names such as Lenons in Venezuela, Campos in Brazil, Argentina and Uruguay, and Parkland in America. Now temperate grassland, due to low precipitation, the grasses here short and less dense and trees are almost absent. These are very suitable for cattle and sheep rearing and are called steppes in Eurasia, prairies in North America, pampas in South America, veld in South Africa, and downs in Australia. Now desert and vegetation, desert vegetation and wildlife. First, hot desert. The hot deserts are found in tropical and subtropical area. These deserts experiences very high temperature and with extremely low rainfall, and these have the long root, thick stem, waxy leaves and thorn which help to survive in harsh condition. The Sahara and the Kalahari desert of Africa, Atacama desert of South America, Sonoran desert in North America, and Great Australian desert, Arabian desert and the Indian desert are the important ones which are generally found along with the western margin of the continents. Camel is the most important animal of the desert. Camel have special body features such as nostril, eye, neck, tough lips and tongue which help them to survive in extreme condition. Camels can live without water and many days. It is known as the sheep of the desert. Other type of animals are rodents, desert fork, snake, lizard, and cold desert. Cold deserts are located in higher latitudes and on a high mountain. These cold deserts are found around the North Pole in Eurasia and North America. The extremely cold conditions do not allow to the growth of the vegetation on the large scale, and these treeless regions are called the tundra. Okay. Now human activity have transformed the natural vegetation cover as well as the animal life all over the earth. Deforestation, agriculture, mining, hunting, industrialization are showing the impact of the very big. डिफॉरेस्टेशन, एग्रीकल्चर, माइनिंग, हंटिंग, इससे क्या हुआ कि जो नेचुरल वेजिटेशन है उसकी संख्या बहुत कम हुई. ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ प्लांट, एनिमल एंड बर्ड्स आर आइदर इंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज, या तो उनके कोई एक वेराइटी या उनकी संख्या बहुत कम है, दैट्स कम इनटू इंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज. एंड एक्सटिंक्ट, जो ऑलरेडी विलुप्त हो चुके हैं, जो अभी हैं नहीं, जैसे डायनासोर की बात करेंगे जो नहीं है. इंडेंजर्ड, जैसे भारत में शेरों की संख्या ये बहुत कम, उनको खास तरीके से बचा के रखा गया, दैट इज इंडेंजर्ड. एंड efforts have to be made all over the world, then only can our planet to be saved. Now last, Salim Ali. Salim Ali is the Indian ornithologist and naturalist. They are awarded with the second civilian award, Padma Vibhushan, for their work, and they die in 1987. Okay, thank you very much.